Might be Jack. But this is Jack. It's Jack. Another 100. About 150,000. All right, yeah. They're all around the area, though. Yeah, pretty much within 20 miles thereabouts. Yeah, rather than be too crazy. He's probably one of the yeah. Yeah,
something like that one.
yeah,
Yeah.
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 That's what I ordered.
Yeah, cheers, yeah. Yeah, probably from the 1980s. Yeah.
Blimey, this is a big one.
Yeah.
It's early as well, eh? It's early.
There you go, yeah.
This is the most close, probably.
Yeah. 40 years old. Yeah. Oh yeah.
This one's going to be like that next week.
It will be similar, yeah. Although they'll all be lit up next week.
Yeah.
So far, I'm recording
How many?
11 minutes or more.
Oh, 11 minutes, yeah.
Still coming, yeah.
We can do that.
Yeah.
Very happy with that. He's put the money in the job.
Yeah. I've donated the raffle bar.
Oh, this is fantastic what they're doing.
Yeah, oh yeah, it is, yeah.
I don't know. I don't think I think it's one year.
It's on Facebook if you're on Facebook. They've been going past us. Haven't finished yet.
Find out how we got to do it.
That's what it's got me since then. Yeah, Reg? Alright, Reg, yeah. Right, Rob, what do you think of it so far? How many were there, Rob? Precisely.
Oh, it was fantastic.
Can you count that high?
Yeah. It was fantastic. Fantastic.
That was pretty good, wasn't
Wendy,
it?
can you give me an interview, please?
I certainly can, Graham. What would you like to
What
know?
do you think of it?
I thought that was really spectacular. It was quite,
It's for our ambulance. They were
yeah,
£20 a piece they paid
Yeah.
to drive them tractors.
yeah. That's absolutely marvellous, and you can see them in the distance there with their
Yeah.
lights on.
Oh yeah.
It's a fabulous spectacle. How
Yeah.
often do you see that?
Ticket for us. First one is Camelot. Green 348, Harry. Green 348, Harry. Harry Skip, come on. Pull a ticket for us, Harry. What is it? Green number three. John Eastman.
It was Alice Pott, it was my daughter. Emma Barber.
Green 96, Emma. Barbara. Patrick, where are you? You haven't brought a ticket? And what colour is it?
It does say 2K on it.
I'll take some and tell me that.
You know your brother better.
Well, I didn't know you were going. Yeah.
He died last year.
That's right. How's he doing? You're retired now, are you?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You still live in the village?
Yeah.
Who is it now?
Where do you live now?
Up near. Backed up.
Oh, right, yeah.
Right, 397.
Oh, yeah.
Segregation,
Yeah.
111. Next. Yellow, 129. Ian Buxton.
aren't we?
Yeah, brilliant.
Yellow, 129. He's got it. Pulling out something. Pulling something off there. Green, 233. Lynn.
I think for you to get, I think we should go out towards Blackberry.
Yeah.
Reservoir.
You want to attract them?
George
I
Whitton.
want to do Iceland.
Yeah.
138. Green, 138. George. Can you sign it, George?
Yeah.
Call George now.
Well, I was supposed to be using my drone, but it was raining, so I just used this.
Sue Knight. Sue, come on. Come on down.
And once they went in, the brakes went into them.
Blue, 15. Garner.
Oh, Louise Garner, that's my friend.
Right, give her something then. Dick Gold. Where's Dick? Dick got home. Pull Dixon down. Pull Dixon down. Green 85. Mary. Mary Bussum. Green 85. Well done, Mary. Yellow 36. Alex and Laura. Alex and Laura. Next door neighbours, excellent. Drop it off. Diane Pete. Come on. Jump Pops. Jump Pops. Pat Brooks.
Oh, yes.
352. Come on down.
Pat Brooks.
Yellow 153, Mr. Major. Blue 16, Beth Collier. Beth. Oh, that's now. Yeah. Right, yellow 190. Got no name. Yellow 190.
That ain't mine, it's Ian Marshall's.
Oh, Margaret Bennett, it's Margaret Ian. Margaret Bennett Ian. Laura. Margaret Bennett. Louise Mile. Green 123. Is Louise here? Brenda Skipper. 165.
Yeah, it's everything. Just getting it down, yeah.